Good morning. I hope you're having a good day. I'm going to start off today going over problem 1 on the worksheet Vertex 1C for Algebra 1. So in this set of problems, it asked me to use the formula x equals negative b over 2a to find the axis of symmetry, then substitute to find the vertex. So let's make sure we do those things. Looking at problem 1. Whenever I have a quadratic function or equation in standard form, I do want to start by identifying a, b, and c. In this problem, a is 2, b is 36, and c is negative 12. Now I'm going to put two of these numbers into this little equation up here. X equals negative b over 2a. So I'm going to have x equals, now negative parenthesis 36, make sure when you substitute you're using parentheses, over 2 times 2. And again, why is that? Well, the formula says negative b, and b was 36, so I have negative parenthesis 36. On the bottom it says 2 times a. Since a was 2, I have 2 times 2. And I'm going to simplify this. This becomes negative 36 over 4, which then becomes negative 9. Alright, so at this point I've found the axis of symmetry. The next thing I need to do is substitute that into the original equation. I'm going to take this equation, y equals, and I'm going to plug in wherever I used to have an x, I'm going to put negative 9. 2 times negative 9 squared plus 36 times negative 9 minus 12. Then what do I do next? Well, order of operations would say to do the exponent next. I have one exponent, which is negative 9 squared. Of course, that becomes positive 81. I'll leave the other multiplication for the next step. So I'll keep the 36 minus times negative 9 and the minus 12. Then on the next step, 2 times 81 is 162. 36 times negative 9 is negative 324. Minus 12 is still there. When I clean this up, I get negative 162. Minus 12. And that becomes negative 174. So what have I done so far? I've found the axis of symmetry. Now find the y value for the vertex. So to finish off, I do want to always make sure that I've answered my question. Yes, I found the axis of symmetry, and the vertex itself, I'm going to write right now. Always x before y, negative 9, negative 174. Alright, please make sure you box your answer, because I could do that with the axis of symmetry as well. Those are the two things I was asked for, and I found them both. Alright, hopefully that made sense to you. If you need to watch it again, feel free to do that. Otherwise, good luck. Bye, guys.